Hello everyone, I'm going to be getting started in just a minute here. I'm just kind of getting everything set up right now, so yeah. We'll be ready to go in just a moment. I'm just making a quick community post and announcing in the Discord server. And then we should be good to go. Alright, here we are. We're live with OliVR development. Oh, I'm hearing better now. So I'm currently working on the rhythm aspect. I'm kind of improving the rhythm aspect because last time we had some issues with it, but I kind of got it more not finalized. I got a little more, excuse me. I got a little bit better looking, or better feeling. Wow, I cannot talk today. I got it better feeling with timed spawning, but I kind of want to make it more like based on a MIDI, so it's actually feeling more on beat when you hit the notes. So it's kind of the goal of today. Yeah, so anyways, let's just see here. Alright. We're almost at 2.5k already. That's crazy, dude. That's insane. So I got the camera here. I'm gonna pause my Spotify here. We're gonna hear in-game music. Camera. So the notes, I got it. The notes are about there, right about there. That's around when the note sound plays. So we're gonna try and get work a little bit better. Let me get my little PNG dude up on screen as well. Let me get him on screen. Come on. Sorry guys, it takes a minute. You'll see him here in this little green square in the corner when it's done booting up. There we go. Hello, I'm here now. Wait, is it? There we go. Okay, yeah, I should bring it. Okay, that's fine. Alright, let me just bring him. Will I bring him over? Oh shoot, I just got rid of like all my windows here. Whoopsie. Alright, back to Unity. And I'm gonna get Spotify going now. Because I can. I've heard the song 1,000 times. I made it, so yeah. Anyways, alright. So first things first, I need to make poses. Pose 1, or left pose. Okay, so I need to, I'm honestly, okay, so, let me just think here. I've been having, okay, so yeah, let me see here. So we're gonna do pose 1, or pose manager, call it that, I guess. I'm not going to show any code on stream. I prefer not to. So I am going to be writing code on a different screen. I'm going to let this just go. I'll turn on my display capture. Alex, what's up, dude? Calvin said, hey, how are you doing? Sorry, I had to turn my display capture off because it's really good to see you, man. Yeah, it's I don't want to show what I'm doing, so yeah. Also, I do have ChatGPT pulled up here in case you need to ask me questions about my code. So yeah. Because it helps, it's actually very useful. It is surprisingly useful for help on writing code and stuff. Like, I'm shocked at how useful it can be. You are a bit louder. Okay, is this better? Sorry about that. Yeah, okay, so this is booting up here. It's really nice to see you though. Really nice to see you, man. How's things going for you? Let me turn on my Spotify as well. It's a little loud in my ear. There we go. Okay. Oops, a little bit desktop. Yeah, I've never had good mixing on my streams. So it's like a curse. There we go. Perfect. Okay. How are you doing, Alex? It's really good to see you, man. I remember last we talked, you were just leaving BHAPIC, so I'm wondering what you're up to now. Man, I really wish I could have gone to CES this year. That looks so cool. I'll turn the display cap. You know what? Whoa. Sorry, something was stuck in my throat there. Alright. It's really good to see you. Alright, let me see here. So what I'm gonna do here, I just want to drag it over really fast here. Whatever, it's fine, it's not a big deal. Okay, so I need to double click on the script here. Thanks, dude. Yeah, things are good. Start Horizon cold enough. I don't have a PSVR, dude. A PSVR 2. My uncle has a PlayStation 5 and I live really close to him, so I could go over there and use it. But he doesn't have a PS4, a PSVR. I don't have the money for that right now. I want one though, dude. Okay. I've heard it's like really cool, but I'm also hearing bad things about it. So like, give me your honest take on it. I don't know if it's worth saving up for, because like it looks awesome. But then I'm hearing like about these issues with it, so like I just want to make sure it's a good investment of my time, and I feel like you of all people would know. So give me the scoop. Oh, I like the song from Quiet Sprite. All right, let me see here. All right, let me see. Let me see here. I'm gonna use ChatGPT for the script. I'm curious on what it's gonna give me. Yeah, okay, let me just, I mean, is that scummy? Is it scum? It's a prototype. We're just prototyping. This isn't, like, a full thing right now, so I hope this isn't, like, too scummy. I don't want to do the wrong thing here, but, like, okay, you know what, we'll just try it out. Whatever. How do I, like, phrase this? So, we'll do, like, I don't want to, like, just rely on AI, it's kind of fun. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's pretty damn awesome. Big easy, blurry motion and smooth turning at the moment. Graphics and Horizon are really nice with AAA. That is cool. Okay, cause you're honest, I don't like smooth turning. It makes me a little dizzy. I use snap turning, so that's probably not gonna be a problem. How is snap turning though? That's my question. Honestly, I'd love to get Obsessive Shadow published to PSVR 2 when it's more featureful, when it's more full of features and like more content. But I just don't know how to publish to like a big platform like that. I know you can pay to do it. I know it's not like you have to get a publishing deal, like, as far as I know at least. You can get like a license, you can just buy a license and publish through Unity, but like, I don't know how that works. But I'd love to get Obsessive Shadow published to a PSVR 2, that'd be really cool, you know? It'd probably cost me a lot of money, but I actually have a really big pitch coming up for investors. Smooth and, okay, I see. Snap, smooth, yeah, okay. Because what I'm thinking is, I mean, we're pitching to investors pretty soon for OliVR, but also Obsessive Shadow's going to be there at the booth, so if all goes well, yeah. Have a good stream, bro. Thank you so much, Alex. Have a good one. Enjoy your breakfast. Hope it's good. Let me see here. Let me think. So it's going to be... Let me think. What do I want to write? Oh, Boneworks soundtrack. I like this. So it's going to be like, make me a Unity C# script that... What do I want to... I gotta like think about it logically. Toxicology! Welcome! Sorry, my voice is all screwed up. Welcome, Toxicology. Good to see you. How are you? I'm experimenting with ChatGPT to see if it can make me a script. I want to see if it's going to work the way I want it to, so I'm kind of curious. How are you doing, though, Toxic? Good to see you. Let me change to live chat, just to get live updates. There we go. Okay. C# scripts that, changes a pose. Okay, let me like, that has four separate, oh, I can't spell, separate functions, each four separate public functions. This will be something, that's true, yeah. Let me see, it's 4 separate public functions, each one, okay, let's see. Each one is set so my brain hurts. Okay. Functions, each one sets a different states in each one, and I'll just do enable here. Enables a different game object from an array. Only one is allowed to be enabled from the array at a time, but if none of them are enabled, Let me see, five. I'll say 5 actually. I want the idle sometimes. No, actually, no. None of them are enabled. One allows a different game object from an array to be enabled when told. Only one is allowed to be only one function, only one game object is allowed to be enabled from the array at a time, but if none of them are enabled, if none of the functions are being called, force enable an idle game object, Each function represents a different pose the character can be in. And I'm thinking, okay, character can be in. And the idle game object is an idle pose, so that if none of the pose functions are called, only the idle animation is force playing, but only if none of the poses are being enabled. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm actually very curious here how this is gonna go. Alright. Character poses. I probably should. Yeah, I want to also rename it. I also applied for as a musician for as a FNAF fan game project. I hope I got accepted. He said they're gonna reach out to people in the next couple days, so I'm really looking forward to that. I mean, I hope that it's something I get accepted into, but you know, we'll see, I guess. Okay, the script is done. I'm gonna copy it, but I'm gonna read this. Hang on. The script, the poses array contains all the game objects from the character poses, an idle pose array, active pose. Okay. Lauren, what's up? Lauren's a good IRL friend of mine, for those of you guys who don't know. How you doing, Lauren? Good to see you. Welcome to my live stream. This is probably going to be a boring stream. I'm just kind of writing code right now for a game. Well, writing, quote unquote. What are you doing? I am currently just kind of working on my game for a project right now. I'm kind of doing some stuff. Okay, compiler errors. Let me see what compiler errors we're getting. Let me just save it again. Hang on. Oh wait, I have to change the pose manager. The script name, pose manager. I'm just kind of working on the game right now, getting it all worked out. I'm using AI to kind of help me write scripts because I'm curious how that works. But yeah, okay. Wait, what the? Okay, now I'm just gonna call this pose manager. Okay. Rhythm indicator, I'll call this. I'll do some playtesting in a minute too, so you guys can actually watch the game. I like this song a lot. Alright, so let's go to song 1. Wait, let me put this on like a prefab, or like a parent object. So let's call it like a new rhythm system. Let's call it that. Let's put spaces on. Okay. Drag this all into there. And then we're gonna copy. Can I copy objects across scenes? I don't. Wait, let me add that scene first. Okay. I don't think I can. Oh, I can. Thank God. I kind of forgot if I can do that. That's really nice to know. Okay. This is gonna take a little bit of work here, but I think it can be done. So what we'll do. Okay, so what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm really glad I put this rhythm indicator in because that's like where the player needs to be. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do this. I think here. Well, I'm gonna pause the music for just a second because we're gonna hear in-game music. Let me like another object so I can see here. I'll just pause it for a second. Okay, so we can separate them here. Helps me differentiate things. Okay, so let me think. Okay, What am I doing here? I need to find out where the... I kind of forgot where I put the audio source, so let me just do that real quick. Rhythm spawners, I'll delete that first, or not delete, I'll uncheck it real quick. Character poses, yep, that's there. That's good. Environments, well, I like this song. Next level, direction. Oh, it's not the directional ones. No, well, safety net, that's for the note debris. Environment, where did I put it? Song, I'll just find references, it's fine. Find references. Song manager. Duh, I'm blind. Okay, there we go. Oh, and that's not it. Hang on, that's from the new thing. Manager. Audio source. This manager. There it is. Okay, I got it the first time. I'm gonna uncheck it there so we don't have overlapping audio. Pause my music. I just gotta figure out the position of where the notes are coming from. That's all I gotta do. Okay, so. Oh, I loved Cocaine Bear. I saw. Okay, yeah. So chat. I watched it last night. It was probably one of the stupidest movies I've ever seen, but it was so good. It was genuinely so awesome. I loved it. Like 10 out of 10 movie. Yeah, it was so good. I'll move it down. Okay, so this will be our rhythm position. Okay, I'm gonna paste this in the world. I'm gonna disable the mesh for this. Okay, so now I need to go to the, what is it? Okay, so pose manager. I need to go here. Let me just like do that. Alright, so pose manager, character poses. I'm gonna just here. I'm gonna lock this here. Poses. All the idle ones. The idle pose is gonna go in here. Yeah, okay, and then from there, I'm going to do this. I'm gonna go to pose manager, and I'm gonna go to my left, so I'll call it like, wait, let me unlock this first, hang on. Okay, so left pose, up pose, I'm actually put lowercase for consistency, down pose, right pose. Okay. The only thing about Cocaine Bear for me is it was super gory, and I don't like gore too much, but it wasn't that big a deal. It was honestly so goofy. Like, it was cartoony. How gory it was. Funny though. I liked it. I thought it was good. I would honestly watch it again. Like, it was a really fun movie. It was a good movie. Okay, so let me get rid of the audio for missing. Still a little sniffle, I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but it's like annoying. Yeah, whatever. Let me just see. So we got the score. Please tell me this is world space. Oh, that's the manager. I need the canvas. Sprite. Score manager. Edric, welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. Wait, what the? Something happened to my... Like, undo. Yeah, there we go. No, something happened here. What the heck? Oh, that's what happened. I'm done. Hang on. Okay, that's gonna go back into my pose chart. With an indicator. Where the heck did the... I'm trying to remember where the canvas is for the... Is it this? Turn this off. Nope, it's not that. Score manager, text. There it is. I might have been blind. I might have been right in front of me. I've transferred the stream to my computer. Nice. Hey Lauren, what? I already know what you're gonna say, but just get it over with. Please, spare me. Okay. This is gonna be... I'll just bring it up here. I'll just bring it up here so you can see like your score when you're. I'll just put like another. Like another one there. I'll just put it. And I'll just put text over that says score. There we go. Now it's more gamey. I just reading the chat list again. Okay. Score text. We'll call this score counter. Cool. Okay. Well, let's disable this altogether. We do not need this missing sound because I don't really like how it sounds. I can change the sound effect, but I don't know. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna pause my music again. Let's see here. Oh, perfect. Sonic Unit 2. Alright. I'll get my VR headset on and we'll do some in-headset testing soon. I just want to see if we can get the poses to work first. Well, I need to like program them in still, but okay, that's good. That's good. Wait, this is good. I may need to. Okay, I may need to move the player. I don't know about the player. I'll move the rhythm system just a little forward. Like a little forward, yeah, like that. Maybe we'll bring it back just a little bit, but yeah. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna get my headset plugged in now, my Oculus there, and we'll actually play it with the headset. I also need to slow down the notes a little bit. I think they're a little fast. Rhythm. Song manager. If I change this to like let's do like 2. I just want to see if we can slow down because I think it's a little fast. I mean, for me, it's not a problem because I play rhythm games, but like other people, I feel like newbies are gonna be like a little stressed by that. So I want to make sure it's good. Maybe this like way up is it gonna be? That didn't do it. Okay. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna get rid of the old. I'm gonna disable the old pose manager. Don't really need that. And song we can keep. I just don't really need that because. We probably do, but I don't know. Up, idle. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay. Character poses. I'm gonna disable here too because that's like the old system. So the song scared you? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you there. Guess. Do you play Osu, Lauren? I have Osu downloaded. I think I do at least. I haven't played it like so long though. I'm not very good at it. The 2 rhythm games I like right now are Friday Night Funkin' and Beat Saber. Mostly Beat Saber though, which is very inspired by. Here, let me put my VR headset on here. I've been starting to get into Synth Riders too. I haven't played it recently, but I have it and I really like it. It's a good game. But that's a VR game. I should probably stream Osu. That'd be a fun stream, actually. Maybe I should stream Osu at some point. Because Osu's, like, really fun. It's just, I'm bad at it. I'm terrible at Osu. I could probably improve. It seems like a game I could probably improve at, though. Alright. Headset's booted up now. Let's run it in the headset now. I'm curious what this is gonna feel like. And this is gonna feel like. Alright, let's see. Alright. Sabers are in. You can see me playing. I'll zoom out the camera perspective so you guys can see it better after this. I have a camera for that. Just. Oh, I need to move the player back a little bit. Looks like it's a little too forward. Yeah. Okay. The rhythm system is really working though. I feel good about that. Let me just move this back. Maybe go like 2, maybe 1. We'll go like. We'll go 2. Okay. Also, yeah, the notes are way too fast still. I need to change that. Is it gonna be in Song Manager? I think it might be. We'll put this back at 1. Version of error. I don't know. We'll see. Pause this. Hang on. Okay, sabers are in. I also need to bring them. I squeeze them in a little more. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to bring the player back more. Okay, yeah, player is gonna be brought back maybe like that. That would be good. Okay, and I'll put like a footstep indicator or something. Just a rock. And I don't need that. We'll just do a cube. Just do like that, just so they know exactly where to stand. I am right here. There we go. That'll be like our indicator. I'll put some like some footprints or something, just so it's a little easier to see. Also, let me enable the flat view camera, just so we can get that in there. Yeah. I'll enable our flat view camera. Whoa, I don't know what happened there, but whatever. Whoa, that's like weird. What the heck happened? Oh, wait, hang on. I'm on the wrong camera anyway. Desktop camera. I just need to enable that. There we go. There we go. Now you guys can see it a little better on screen. Yeah, you can see the sabers. I'm standing right in the center. That's good. Okay. I am going to bring these closer together as well. Okay, let's see. Let me just see here. So, blade 1. I should probably put cubes on all of these. Just so I can, I need to be able to tell, that's all. These again. Here, let me disable the desktop view just for now, just so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, that would explain it. Okay, we'll do this then. Here, we'll bring this one here. This one bring up. This one. Down notes. We'll put there. Yeah, we'll put that down there. Left notes. Let's put the right note up here. I just need it to like feel. Here, let's just see how that looks. Ah, my hair's in the way. My hair's getting super long. I need to get a cut. Work. Come on. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Hang on. I need to... Wait, let me just, like... Should I bring this more up? Like, no, because, like, that's where the notes spawn from, I think. This might need to be, like, way back. Like that. Because it doesn't feel on beat to me. I don't know. It could just be me, but I don't know. Something about it. Whoops, I hit the mic by accident. Okay, I'm also going to move the notes over a little bit. Wait, let me see, is that on beat? Let me check my phone. Here go, text. Oh, it's just scam text. Your Amazon account has been unlocked. Some links for the shady source. Okay, let's see. Having hair in your face when you're doing VR is the most uncomfortable thing ever for me. Wait, let me see. Okay, so if I go back to rhythm, let me just like put the rhythm indicator back. If I go Beat Saber, yeah, it's kind of inspired by Beat Saber. The only thing is, it's not gonna be a copycat because it's like a rhythm, it's like a story game, if that makes sense. It's got like a story to it. There's gonna be bits where you're walking around through the overworld. This is just more of a. This is basically just the way the battle system works, if that makes sense. Yeah, good to see you, Rain. I haven't seen you in a while. How are you doing, man? Let me put this back here. There we go. Rhythm indicator. Let me make sure this like perfectly. Yeah, it's good enough. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I need to watch for these. Are these right where they spawn? If so, then that might not be good. Oh, I just right in the center. Okay, that's like perfect. A little janky. I need to fix the position. Yeah, that's a little. I don't think. Good to see you. Yeah, good. Glad you're. I can't talk. Glad you're doing good, dude. Song manager. Where are the notes spawning from, though? That's my question. Because it looks. I thought it was the. Wait. Okay, let me just like remove. What's. Okay, now let me like change. Okay, so now I actually gotta make my. Here. Note prefab. Alright, I'm gonna look at this laid script here. And I'm gonna try and modify it so instead of instantiating a prefab, it just enables a game object or calls a function. Let me see here. Updates, manager, instantiates. Okay, so it looks like this is it right here. I'm gonna hippity hop in your code is on my property poses. And I'm gonna paste everything in there. Somewhat, it's a prototype, but I'm gonna try and turn it into a demo eventually for Steam, because I have a Steam page going up for it soon. This is technically a school project. It's been a year-long thing. We're presenting it to investors pretty soon, so big stuff's happening right now. I really want to get that rhythm system looking better and feeling better. The Steam page got approved, but like, there's some weird stuff going on with it. Like, for some reason I can't like hit launch on the page, but there is like, yeah, I don't know, it's weird, but poses. Okay, that's, and then I'm gonna start modifying from here once the script is compiled. I really need to get my hair cut though. It keeps getting in my face when I do VR. It's really uncomfortable. Ooh, I like the song. I like every song that comes on. What do I mean? Alright, let me see. Public game object note prefab. I'm just gonna like comment that out and just see what errors it gives me. You guys won't be able to see this, but I mean, it doesn't matter. Prefab. Okay, so this right here, I'm gonna try and just. This might be more complicated than oh, wait a minute. Okay, I have a very primitive way of doing this, but I made it make separate scripts for all of them. Note restriction. Spawnless. Notes, maybe? Ryan, if you want to DM me, I can take a look at some of your work and see if it's something we're looking for. Only thing is, we don't have the money to pay people right now, so I can't like commission people. But if you want to help us on the project, send me a DM and I will take a look. I think we're friends on Discord. If not, then here I'll put my Discord tag in chat in case you want to just send me a friend request. There you go. Or we might already be friends on Discord. We are not friends on Discord. I can't find you. Yeah, just shoot me a friend request, man. I'll talk to you, man. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna go about this. I might just honestly do this here. Here, we're just gonna make a separate function. This will just be my left, I guess. Oh, thanks, man. That's so nice of you, man. If we get like a good cash flow, I'll see if I can like start hiring people. But I don't want to like make promises. I'm hoping to hire because I actually want to pay people for the work they're doing because it feels right. More than we, you know what I mean, like more than half at least. But yeah, like the Steam page is $100, but you know. Yeah. All right. Index. Let me just think here. All right. So I'm gonna just remove this here. Oops. Prefab. That's the only time it's okay. Yeah. So here I'm just gonna do. Cool. Just got your friend request. Let me accept it. Just sent you a little wave thing. Yo. Yeah, just send me some of your music and I'll be sure to take a look at it. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna do game objects, current pose, let's call it. Current pose, let's see. Oh wait, no, we don't want to do that. We want to enable your pose manager. We want to do public pose manager, poses. Hey. Poses. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put, okay, so enable first pose. I'm gonna make here. Make this one left, up, down, and then we'll do right here. Yeah, sure, take your time. Alright, here, so we'll do enable pose. Okay, so idle pose, and then we'll do idle pose. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, so poses dot enable first pose. Oh man, I'm doing this probably the messiest way humanly possible. I don't know what other way to do it because my C# knowledge isn't very good, so. Let's see, poses. Let me just remove this from the left pose thing. Okay, let's just see. No prefab, we'll just do that as well. Really need that, so yeah. Okay, now instead of spawning a note, it's gonna set a pose. So the let me just get the pose manager real quick. Pose manager, there we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same here, but I'm gonna call this one up pose. I'm not happy about the way that I have to code this, but I mean, I'm sure there's going to be a better way for it, but I mean, I know there's going to be a better way. This is like probably the stupidest way I can do this, but I just want to get it working, because if it works, it works. That's kind of the mentality I'm in right now. I mean, hey, it may not even work, and then I'll have to like go back to the drawing board, but it seemed like in my head it'll work. We'll just have to see. It's mostly like because I can't see how it wouldn't work. That's what I'm saying. I can't see how it wouldn't work. That's the thing. Okay, poses, we'll call this up pose. And I'm gonna link this to the pose manager here, just plan it real quick. Here you go. Okay, so up, so poses. Enable first pose. Enable first pose is up. Okay, so wait, let's find. Actually, no. Enable first pose is left. Okay, yeah, so left, up. Pose. Wait, I don't want the start function. Why did I delete the start function? Wait, no, that is what I want. I think. Oh, but it's like the first frame though. That's the weird thing. Is it in here? I'll experiment with it a little bit. Let me just like... I'm gonna have to look at how the notes are being summoned, or spawned. It's not gonna matter. Steam aircraft. Anyway. I don't need it right now anyway. Oh, I'll take a look at that in a second, Raiden. Okay, so there's that. They're spawning like right here, okay. Yeah, the no spawning's fine, dude. are being called. So we go to the lane, no prefab. So it's on the update function, okay. So I didn't need to delete the, I wasn't supposed to, quick from lunch, what did I miss? Not much, just programming. Rain's show me some music. Let's listen to his music, let's pull it up here. Okay. What DAW do you use? Like, do you use FL Studio or Real Logic? Dude, this is really good. I like this. This is actually really good. This is awesome. I like this. Yeah, what program do you use? Vibe here. This is good. No prefab. If I just like Unity. I need to stop playing mode immediately. Poses. Let me just copy the lanes code again. Let me just start over on that front. Poses. Up pose. Yeah, that is nice. Ryan, I really like that. Yeah, if you want to help with music, absolutely. Yeah, I would love to have you on. Let me just invite you real quick to the server. To the yeah thing. I'll give you rules and stuff. I'll get you in there. Let me give you some roles here. Musician. There you go. Maybe the musician role. Welcome to the team. Yeah, if yeah, we'll have to talk a little more over Discord later, but like I really like that. Yeah, of course. Okay. I'm gonna announce you real quick in the server. One moment. Everyone, new musician on board. Welcome. Everyone, give a warm welcome to Ran DK. Cool. All right. Let me think here. Okay, so what am I doing? Wait, let me just go to the lane thing. Is this start? Is this? Oh my god, am I done? Okay, I'm gonna be done. I have a Discord. Yes. Do you want to? I have a Discord server. In fact, I'll invite you to it. The OliVR Discord server is not public yet, but my main Discord server is in fact a public server you can join. There's the link if you want to go ahead and hang out in there. It's called my development hell server. That's what I call it. Okay. So in poses, I think get rid of the note prefab. Yeah, we'll just get rid of it in here. And then we're gonna go to update function spawn. Yeah, okay. And then we're gonna go with the note prefab. We're gonna comment that out. We're just gonna comment. Let me just comment this whole thing out. This is a lot of just trial and error right now. So this is where the notes spawn in. Let me see here. Spawn. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, yeah. I need to go to public. Pose manager, and then we're gonna go poses. And then we'll go in here and we'll go poses dot enable first pose. Not there. Welcome to the development hell server. Alright, poses, first pose. And then we're gonna do the same here. Call it up pose. And then we're gonna go enable second pose. That's our up pose. Since it was for a show idea I had, tried making an intro opening theme for it, might not use it up. Alright, no worries, yeah. I can always see if it fits anywhere in our game at some point that long down the line. So yeah. I don't know for sure, but yeah. Enable, let's see. Enable second pose. Okay, then we're gonna go, I have to make an visual script for this. Okay, so left pose. I really need just one manager for all of it. Okay, I need to go back to FL Studio and see which ones. Alright, so it's gonna be. Let me hear the actual notes again. G sharp, B, D sharp, F. Okay, good to know. G sharp, B, D sharp, F. There's it. The icon doesn't show up for some reason. I confused me. G sharp. B5, or no, G sharp, B, okay, down pose. Alright, let's see here, this is gonna work. Down pose, we'll just copy and paste code in again, change name, and change the pose. God, I love the stuff that Monster Cat artists put out, man. It's so good. I'm gonna suck. I love the Rocket League soundtrack so much. Good at coding. All I see is a math equation. I promise you, Raiden, I am not good at coding. This is I'm not like degrading, like self-deprecating. It's just I literally just this is pre-made code. I'm just modifying it. But I appreciate it. I'm glad you like watching it. I'm glad you did that. Sorry, that sounded kind of mean. I didn't mean to do that. I promise. Enable third pose. Okay, now it's compiling. I'm really just like I'm not gonna try to like build myself up too much, like hype myself up. Like I really just like being creative, man. I feel like I'm creative type. I just like to get creative with things, man. Okay, so we got D sharp as that key. It's a MIDI. So basically, the way the note spawning works is like on beat with a MIDI file. But and then it'll pick a note based on what key it's in. So, right pose. That'll be that. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this to compile down here. What song is it on now? I'm gonna shuffle a little more. Ooh, November's playing nice. I like November. Let me get music. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Right pose, this was called. Okay. Right pose. Fourth pose. Okay. This person who knows nothing about coding, I think you're doing pretty good. Thank you. It's nice of you. I think I compare myself too much to like people who are really good at it, but like, I don't know. I think I'm happy with my skills. I've always looking to improve. That's my only thing. Poses. Let me see. Poses. Enable. Fourth pose. Will that get rid of the error? It's in my up pose script that's causing it. What line is on? It's on line 7. Up pose. Let's change that. There we go. Will that fix my ears? Hopefully. So right now it just needs to call the functions. That's the main thing. Okay, and then pose manager. Alright, we're gonna test this. This is a really important test right here for me if it works. So if she's idle right now, that's good. Oh, I've got to change the key for this one. Oh, wait, no. Okay, moment of truth, here we go, here we go. Oh, wait, I gotta put pose managers. Oh, wait a minute, hang on. I gotta set the pose manager for this. I'm make sure all of them have a pose manager assigned. Okay, and then I gotta do a key as well. Let me just see here. Okay, why don't we just try the same keys as these? This will be G sharp, B, D sharp, F. G sharp, B, D sharp, F. I think those are the same keys, maybe. Well, here, let's just see. We'll just see if it spawns with any notes right now. Alright, let me go here. Pose manager. Oh, there's two audio listeners in the scene as well. That's probably not good. Audio listener. Let me remove that. Let me also remove from this camera. I'll just honestly. Yeah, just remove that. Okay, let's see. I need to go into my pose manager script. Let's see here. Okay. Let me just play a debug.log on each of them. Debug.log left. Do that. Put my music back on here. We'll go with. I got Oculus and Vive. My Oculus got a severe case of drift every time I move the character. Ah, dang, yeah, I had to get new controllers because of that. I'm sorry about that though. I hate that the Oculus controllers do that, but I got new ones and it works like a charm now. Right, and then we'll do. I want to put one here too, just for idle, just to see. Nah, okay, nah, I'm fine. I mean, I probably should, but like it's gonna do every frame, so. Let's just see here. Let's just see if it's even getting to that point. Okay, we just need to see when notes spawn in. We need to watch here for the console error. Or for this. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Let me go to Pose Manager, I think it is, and then let me go to Song when chart. Let me replace with chart and just see if maybe they need to both be on the same thing. Maybe I overcomplicated this. Maybe, just maybe. So it looks like, to me, it's not getting to that. What I can do, though, you see left. Okay, what I need to figure out a way to differentiate which direction is which. So let me go to my lane here. Oh, wait a minute. There's a, it's not efficient still, but. Call pose one, or call pose. Left, let's say. We'll just make. I'll go back to the end. We'll see. All right. No word. I'm just gonna call I'm trying to call functions whenever notes spawns. Whenever notes spawn. It might just be the best bet, honestly. I mean, it's not gonna be, I don't think it'll be perfect, but public pose manager pose. Oh, I said pose by accident. Pose, enable first pose. Can I select a function from a list? Select function, call from the list, Unity. Oh, another FNAF movie set photo. Nice. Okay. Enable first. It's like a rundown of Freddy Fazbear. That's gonna be cool. Why do I feel like this movie's gonna try and tell the story of FNAF 1 and like some FNAF 3, FNAF 2? I don't know. We'll see. I'm pretty stoked though. I'm trying to look at this for reference. Okay. That seems a little complicated. I mean, I can probably figure it out. I just don't feel like doing that right now. I just want to stick to Windows for now. Yeah, I'm one of those programmers, which is probably not good. Okay. Pose manager. Oh wait, can I not reference things? I had this issue earlier, but I completely forgot how I solved this. Shoot. Let me just like go to my, let me just go to my wall. No, but that was tagged. Oh, this gets more complicated. Every little thing I do. This gets more and more complicated. We'll figure it out. It's okay. Notes. Left note. Okay, so reference other scripts on phone. I'm gonna Google that. Hang on. Maybe if I just like, this may be a little more of a manual process, but if I just like drag it in, drag the pose manager onto it, maybe, and then prefab that. Assets prefabs. Ah, dang it, doesn't work. Okay, whatever. Unity. It's gonna crash, isn't it? Oh, it's no. Oh, no. Please don't crash on me, Unity. I just dragged something too fast. I'm begging you right now not to crash. Oh no, it says not responding. I'm seeing the crash handler here. I guess it's kind of always there, I don't know. That is taking up 15%. I may have to just, okay, you know what, we're gonna wait a little bit. And if it takes too long, I might have to just kill it. I might have to just hit the task manager button. I saved a bit, but it'll still send back just a little bit. No, oh, whoops, I didn't mean to send that. Maybe chat, to the plus minus by accident. No! What? Screw it, I'm just gonna task manager. What I just did, but, you know. That is really upsetting. I have too many Unity projects that I'm probably never going to finish. Well, time to wait for this to open again. Sorry, guys. Okay, at least it opened fast. At the very least, it opened fast. I'm just typing something in the Discord server. Not your fault though. Nah, it's fine. Caps lock. Yeah, it's okay. Saturated prefab gets references and objects in my hierarchy can't be dragged into my prefab. The components. A component attached to an object. I asked in the Discord server, for the Unity Discord. I don't like the Brackies Discord because people are kind of mean. They're very condescending there, and you get kind of ignored a lot in there. But yeah. So I just asked in the Unity official Discord server, which I usually get more response from anyway. Oh, wait a minute. Was it because I didn't reference this? Someone's typing. I don't think they're going to respond to me though. Maybe I make a pose manager script as well, like with a different name. Obviously, poses managements. Oh wait. Okay, there's a couple. Wow. There's a couple solutions that I can try. Okay. So I do this, pose managements. Oops. Change lane to. Oh yeah, to. Oh, no. Shoot. I do not want to do this. The other solution seems a lot simpler. But I'm gonna try this first. I'm gonna try this first because I hate myself. Pose manager. Hopefully this is the right way to go. You know, this script, I'm just deleting this. I'm deleting all the code. I don't need this script. I have a better idea. Okay, so that already works. Just move the script onto it. Garbage. Alright, so just delete that on us, or close that on us. Okay, so song manager. Or not Sound Manager. Let me go to my prefab. Okay, so some of the scripts I need to reference it at runtime. Oops. Reference game object at runtime. I should know how to do this, but I completely forgot, so I'm just gonna look at it. Oh wow, this is not how. Okay. It's just a get component, I'm pretty sure. Oh, you can do find object with tag, I guess. Hippity hoppity. Your code is not my property. Pose manager. I'm gonna copy and paste so I can make sure the tag is spelled the right way. Reference components at runtime is what I need, not game objects. Or maybe I can do game objects. Let me try that first. Hang on. Public game objects. Pose manager. Replace this with this. Okay, we'll try this. So now I gotta go to my pose manager. And pose manager, yeah, tag. Pose manager tag. Okay, so now pose manager. There we go. Okay. The only thing is, like, the main problem is, I guess I'll have to drag these back in. I just don't know what the heck to do with this. Excuse me. We'll just do this here. Get rid of that like drum sound. Also, these cubes will be invisible when the game is done. Wait, there's a much easier solution to this. Hang on. All I have to do is make a prefab where that calls the function. Left call pose left, pose manager. Yeah, okay. We'll just grab the references. No, it will not. Okay. Components. Yeah, it's get component. Obviously, I'm stupid. Okay. Get components. I always forget get component word. I have no idea why. I'm just gonna use this as a base. So it'll be pose manager. Pose. Let me turn music back on. Let's probably boring without music. Oh, I up and clicked team by accident. Uh-oh. I think I have task manager here. If it decides to open. Use closed fusion, we'll need that. Okay, let's just see how this works now. referencing the wrong thing? I might be going in circles here. Let me just think about this. Okay, so... Wait. Okay. I'm gonna try and just disable this for now. Or here, let me see. I'm just trying to think. Okay, I've kind of got myself into a confusing mess here. I think I'm going a weird direction with this, but honestly, why not I just do this? Why don't I just remove this? No, hang on. This is gonna make so much sense to me at some point, and I'm gonna be like, how did I not think of that? Okay. Let's go to the script here. First pose. Thanks. Let's do kit component, pose manager, yeah, looks like I can. Maybe that's what I need. Just call pose left here. Pose manager. I was tagging the wrong frame, so I'll just see if that does anything different. I don't know why it's like doing that lag thing, but it won't happen in game, I don't think. Let me see. Are these separately? I don't think they are separately tagged, but if they are. Oh wait! I have an idea. I'm going way too fast here. Okay, I'm going to make an invisible collider that sets the pose of that object here. I'm gonna make a cube. I may not even need this like pose chart thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna disable it for now because I do need it, but rhythm indicator. That needs to be up more so I can see it. I don't know, let's do there for now. I think it's like here. Yeah, okay. There we go. Yep, okay. So that. Okay. Put the music back on. Pose manager is gonna be idle. I'm using this left call more as a test thing right now, so it'll be. Okay, yeah, I think I know what to do now. So notes, down notes. Wait, but it's on the prefab. Oh wait, I can do what they told me in the Discord server. Please tell me that's gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna add a cube. Decide that I'm gonna get rid of the box collider. Make it small. I don't really matter what size it is. It's not gonna be there anyway. Just for enabling things. And I'm just gonna call that with it on oh wait, no, I'm doing the collider thing, so pose manager, okay. Okay, so this will be pose manager. Wait. Oh, here, I can actually just do this. Here. Left. Right. down. And I can just put it on the wall code. Yeah, so my left code. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Hang on. Left. There we go. Hide the mesh as well. I should put a box collider on this though, but like, yeah, we'll keep the box collider on there just for the wall. But yeah, okay. Left notes, down notes. Cube. Down. Might be the, I don't even know if I need the script on there. Just do a simple mesh here. Down note. Right note. Alright. God, I love home music. This is the right note. Okay, right, and we'll do that next. Okay, I might need to add a rigid body as well, but then make it kinematic, maybe? I'll do without rigid bodies and then we'll add them. Okay, there's that. So we did the down note, did the left note, we need the up note now. Up. Okay, hide the mesh. Oh, I didn't hide the mesh on the right note too. There we go. Okay, now I need to go on my wall code for the note wall. I need to add a script, just call it, I'll just use an existing script, pose manager. There, poses. Now that's what I'm doing. Cool. Set pose. I have a lot of scripts that I'm not using. I'm probably just going to delete from my scene at some point. I don't know. I'll have to go through them later after stream or something. Okay, so we're gonna do. Yeah, okay, so it'll be. On collision enter. Can't type. Tag, it's gonna be up, we'll do up, left, up, down, left, right. Okay, so and I'll do this. Pose manager, public pose manager, poses, and then we'll do. Let me see. To Unity. That's leave that for now. I need notes. There we go. Okay. First left. Up. We'll do second. Let's go left. We'll go in order. Enable or pose dot enable pose. Can't type today. Ah, there we go. Poses dot enable first pose. This is on me and what's it work on? Down. Third. Right, see fourth pose. Alright, let's see. I really need to name these differently. Let's call it that, I guess. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I didn't put my references in yet, so I don't think it's gonna really do much. Yep, I gotta put my references in still. You also just get the mesh render of the wall just so I can see, because then I can make another mesh collider. I'm just testing it with the wall right now, but I'll make a separate collider probably. Okay, poses are in there now, that's good. Okay, that's confusing. Let me just try enabling all of these. Okay. So they're all there. Let me see here. I'm gonna try having ChatGPT modify this. It's generating right now. Maybe if I do just enable pose by itself. Wait, let me try that before I try the modified script. Let me try. One, two, and then three. I'll put a debug.log for left as well, so I can test it. Debug.log left pose. Alright, wait for the left pose to spawn in. That is very strange. I'm not sure why it's not. Oh, it's the rigid bodies. Wow. I told myself in my head, do not forget the rigid bodies. Yet I forgot them. Rigid body. Is this kinematic? Okay, rigid body. Oh no, I need to go to the left note now. Left notes. Notes. I'll just do it whatever order I see it in. Rigid body. I can't believe I forgot the main rule of colliders. Copy, put that onto the down notes. Oh, it's already on the down note. I need to go to the left note now. Down note, left notes, right note, or up notes. Let's do an up note, yes. I hope this fixes it. I'm really hoping and praying this fixes it, because I don't know what else will. Fingers crossed. I don't know why it's so glitchy. It might be all the errors I'm getting. I also have a lot of programs open, so that could be part of it. Let me just disable all of these. And then just go to Song Go Hard. Thank you, Toxic. Sorry I missed your chat message there. It's all just lightsaber, so none of the errors. Oh, the idle is working. I need to like kind of pay attention to it now. This might be working now. I think it might. Okay, come on. Okay, so it's not getting it though. That's the weird thing. Okay, so there's that. It's the right. Is it capitalized? Wait, is it these? I don't think... Let me just disable these cubes. Maybe like it's having an effect on it or something, because like the colliding with them. Let me like group these cubes. Pause there. Cube is there. Okay, so why isn't it switching poses? Make sure the tags are set properly too, and the code. Set pose is gonna be... Yeah, it's left, up, down, right. Yeah, it should be working. Let me see here. Pose charts. Let me just do like a keybind or something. Hang on a second. Let me just see. Let me try the modified script real quick. Pose manager. Pose manager. Okay. So this wall is kind of a determining factor here whether this is going to collide, it looks like. Alright, so there's that notes. Okay, let me go to notes and just see here. Maybe this needs to be inside the VR note, maybe? No, the black note, yeah. Black notes. I'm just parented them wrong or something. Cause like, there's no way this shouldn't be working. I don't know. It's weird. Let me just think here. Okay, so the collider has a rigid body. wall. Okay, set pose. We can always try on trigger enter, but I don't know if it's gonna like do anything realistically. Right, down, overhead. Watching out for comment or stuff in the console here. How do we know if the let me just like excuse me. Why don't we do this here? Okay, so if collider tag left, let me go to the notes here. The notes down. Let's go to this for example. So down is yeah. So it's spelled correctly. Let me go to the down here, any direction really, but like, let me go to, ooh, I like this song, End is Near. Okay, pose manager, set pose, pose manager. We play it one more time, we'll do it like this time. Okay, that's good to know. It looks like the function is very... can't even talk. It looks to me like the functions aren't even being called. So honestly, why don't we just do it inside the script? Here, I'm gonna bring this whole function into the pose manager here. Might get a little messy, but whatever. Get rid of the word poses here, just have that by itself. And then I'll put it on my wall instead of my other thing. Ooh, Arbor. I guess get rid of the tags here. Or no, actually I want to keep them there. I want to get it over here. Because we want to make sure it's actually being called. Okay, we'll do that. We'll attach it to my wall. And then we'll make a collider. Or I guess your collider is an empty game object, right? Okay. Your pose is an empty game object. We'll just make our separate game object now. Cool. Twitter. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna put a rigid body on this. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, yeah, no, that's exactly what I expected to happen. I have to do it outside of this and then lock the position. Just constraints. Alright, let's see how this goes. Just to make sure it's really hitting it. Oh wait, it has to be triggered. Okay. is just a separate collider. I need to put it on it. I am big brain. Paste values. We'll go there. Box collider, rigid body. Okay. Alright, let's see how this goes now. Oops. Please, please, please. Work, work, work. Oh. Yes. Yes! It works. But, okay, we need to now make it only when, it's on beat now. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I don't know why it's spawning so many at once there. It's a bug, probably. You know what? It works. I'm gonna test it out in game now, though. I want to see how that performs in game. Let me just put my headset on real quick. Ah, man. It's such a struggle to put this thing on when you have long hair. I'm probably gonna end stream soon, by the way, just because I'm tired and I want to go relax for a little bit. But yeah. Alright, let's see here. Okay, little laggy in VR. Might just because I'm streaming though. That's a little too far off, but... yeah, they're way too fast. Oh god. Yeah, no, that is... Oh god. Okay, yeah, that's the problem. Alright. Let me see the charts. Oh, wait, you know, it might be a thing in the MIDI, actually. I use the FNF vocals. Re-export MIDI. If it doesn't work this time, I'll take a little break. Maybe I'll come back to it later. I don't know if I'm going to stream it later, but I'll probably play it later or just develop it, work on it later. I'm really glad you guys are enjoying that. Yeah, that's too far away. They're all sliceable, just that they're all out of reach. Oh god. You know, I'm going to have to fix that later. I think I'm gonna end for now. But yeah, it was fun talking to you guys, fun developing with you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I will try and stream maybe later tonight, maybe later today, I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Alright, see ya.